The resurrection of Jesus Christ is more than a particular happening at a point in time. It is an ongoing reality. Can we imagine what it might have been in and around that first Easter day? If someone known to you comes to your door and knocks gently, you will open the door and let him in. Listen, he says, believe it or not, but it is a fact. Jesus has risen from the dead. He is alive, and I have seen him with my own eyes. Newly born Easter people are an amazing surprise, not only to themselves, but also to those who knew them before. The change can be something like their new attitudes, their new insights, and their new lifestyle. In short, a new person. Easter is something that continues to happen in our life every day. Yes, Christ is risen. He is risen indeed. Alleluia. I wish you all a blessed Easter.